Hello. Today, Amazon is introducing a groundbreaking agentic coding experience in Amazon Q Developer, designed to transform how software is built directly within the IDE. This new experience redefines the way developers write, edit, and maintain code by leveraging natural language understanding to execute complex tasks. Going beyond traditional code suggestions, Amazon Q Developer can now modify files, generate code diffs, run commands, and more, all based on natural language instructions. Key features include intelligent task execution, perform advanced development actions beyond code suggestions. Transparent reasoning, see how Q Developer interprets instructions and applies changes with step-by-step logic. Multi-turn conversations, engage in dynamic, context-aware dialogue that persists across your codebase and session. Granular Control, choose between fully automated changes or step-by-step approvals. This new agentic experience is available now through the Amazon Q Developer CLI and within the Visual Studio Code extension, with support for JetBrains and Eclipse coming soon. It's powered by the latest Claude Sonnet 3.7 model and supports multiple spoken languages. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you next time.